What's up, you guys? Welcome back to Sprinkle Sugar Pop. If you're new, welcome. My name is Christina. In today's video, we are going to talk about all about reels, how to edit, how to create one, and how to post effectively, which is key. Alright guys, so the first thing you need to do before you create any type of reel, you have to see what is trending in Instagram right now. For example, for us bakers, one video that is trending right now would be someone dipping a big old marshmallow into chocolate and then decorating, showing us the process of decorating the marshmallow. So once you know what type of videos are trending on Instagram, to create something similar but not the same. So once you know what to record, what to create, it's very important to know how to record it, because nowadays high quality videos are like the best. If you see a low quality video, you really don't want to watch it unless it's something very interesting. You basically skip. But not just that, Instagram is also pushing videos that are high quality, not so much of the low quality videos. So it's key to record on a high quality setting. I'm going to show you right now how to set up your phone to record high quality videos. Alright, so in order to record high quality videos, you need to go to your camera settings on the settings section and set it up to 4K at 60 FPS. I want to share with you guys what I use to create reels. Is this beautiful lamp from Canvas. It has different light settings. It's really cool. Also, you can make it brighter and darker. Look how bright it gets. And then you see, I freaking love it. I will be putting the link down below so you guys can check it out. And then it also comes with your, I took it off because I put my iPad on top of the thing, but it comes with a little thing, and then this thing, you can put it over here or over here, and then just, it will hold your phone. Alright, so now that you know how to record high quality videos, let's move on to editing. The app I like to use to edit my videos is called VN. I believe it's free. I can't remember, but it's really cool. It has so many features. You can add filters. You can make your videos go fast, slow, reverse them, cut unwanted sections of your video. Like, it's really good. You can even add overlays. So basically, I don't know if you've seen my videos where sometimes I add my name, my business name, towards the end, Sprinkle Sugar Pop. But yeah, let me just explain what I'm doing here. So basically, I wanted to reverse the first part of the video. So what I did, I cut the section that I want to reverse. But before you reverse, you have to duplicate so you can still show the beginning. And then the second video is going to be the same thing, but you're going to reverse it so it can look smoothly. And then after that, continue like the video where you're dipping the strawberry, like you're taking it out of the chocolate, but make it shorter, if that makes sense, and a little faster. So because also another thing, you want your videos to be short. You don't want them to be super long. The shorter the better. At the end, you can also add a transition. Like for me, I like to use the black or white. It just gives it a smooth ending. And then also, I didn't like the lighting on this video. So the good thing about this app that you're able to edit the lighting as well. You can even choose different filters. I personally love the A2, I want to say. Yeah, A2 for this type of mood. And then I prayed. I played around with the brightness a little bit, and voila, you see the difference. Like, it looks way better now. Now that you know how to edit a video, now it's time to look for a trendy song that fits your video. Of course, you don't want to use just any trendy song, you know. You have to make sure it goes with the flow, like it goes with the video, if that makes sense. So let me show you how to look for a trendy song. When you're scrolling through reels, pay attention to the bottom left. If you see an arrow pointing up, that tells you that that audio is trending. So please use these type of sounds to help your video out. Alright, so now that you know how to record, how to edit, and how to look for trendy audio, I'm gonna tell you how to post it effectively. So I want to tell you that in order for your video to do good, you want to catch people's attention within like the 3 seconds. So this is another important thing when you create or you brainstorm your video. You don't want to show the finished product at the beginning, because if you do, people are going to see the finished product and they're just going to scroll. You want your audience to stay on the video till it finishes, or at least close to the finish. Also, one tip or one trick that helps the audience or the viewer stay on your video longer is when you add like captions on the video, because it makes the viewer stay on your video to read your caption, you know. So that's another cool trick to do when you create reels to catch people's attention or to make people stay on your video longer. All right, so now let's talk about how to post your reel effectively. One thing you want to do is you need to go on Instagram and go into your insights, and then I'm going to show you guys right now in a second. And basically, when you look into your insights, you want to look for the times that your audience, like your followers, are active, because if you post at a time where your followers are not active, then you're not going to get so much of engagement, unless you post it like around a good time that everyone, including the people that are not following, are active on Instagram. So for example, a good time to post, I would say like around 3 to 5, because that's pretty much a time that a lot of people are active. People get out of work, people get out of school, college, whatever, so on. And that's when people technically go on Instagram, you know, to browse or whatever. So yeah, so that's like a good time to post. And also check your insights and see at what time and days your followers are more active. I'm gonna show you right now in a second. Alright, so go to your settings, go into insights, and then go into total followers, and then scroll all the way down, and that's where you're going to find the active times. It tells you what days and what times your followers are more active. So now you know what time to post, what days to post. I recommend to post every day, honestly. If you're barely starting your business and you need more followers, not just followers but customers engagement, you need to start posting at least every day. You need to put in that work, okay? But if you have like a decent amount of following and you have a nice clientele, then I recommend you to post at least 3 times a week, at least, you know, 3 times or 4 times a week. That's just reels. You have to stay consistent. You have to stay active on your page. Like, let's say you don't post a reel a day, at least post on your story, hop on, say something that is very, very important, that is key to be successful and to tell your followers that you're there, you know. But yeah, that's a separate video. Right now we're talking about reels. Alright, now let's talk about hashtags. When you post your reel, you want to make sure you're using effective hashtags. You don't want to use just any random hashtag. For example, for me, I like to use hashtags that includes my city, because I just don't want my content to be out there to random people, but I want my content to be viewed by local people, because, you know, this is my job. I need clients, I need orders. So that's why for me, I prefer using hashtags that have my city. Like for example, I'm from Sacramento, so the majority of my hashtags will have Sacramento or the local cities or something like that. Like for example, Sacramento's food, Sacramento's foodie, or Sacramento's catering, or Sacramento cakes, or stuff like that. I highly recommend to use those type of hashtags if you want, of course, more clients, more orders. It's pretty much the same thing. If you want more clients, you know. If you just want to be a content creator and you don't want to like have clients, then you don't have to use those. Don't even use those, honestly. Use hashtags that are more general. For example, food reels, cake reels, or how to make a cake, or how to tips and tricks on decorating cakes. Okay, 2 more things. You want to have a nice caption. I am so bad at captions. I don't know why. I want people to stay on your reel as long as possible to count that as a view. So if you put a attention grabber in your caption, it's gonna make people stay. Who cares if they're not watching your video or not? As long as they're right there reading the caption, that counts as a view. So you want to write something interesting, like for example, hey, I have some exciting news, ... And then people are like curious, trying to see what's the exciting news, and then that's when they stay there and continue reading. And that counts as a view, because meanwhile the viewer, or like the user, is reading your caption, the video is playing, so that counts like a view. One last thing, you want to tag foodies or food accounts around your area, so you can have your reel displayed on their account, or like the tagged section, and then that's how more people will discover you. I'm sorry guys, I had to like stop the video and get like a quick snack because I have not ate. I've been so busy and my tripas were making noises. I was like, oh hell no. I highly recommend to tag your local food accounts, because sometimes they do post your page or like your desserts or stuff like that on their story, so you get more exposure. I want to shout out 2 accounts that have always supported my account. I'll put them right here. Is Life in Sacramento and Foods of Sacramento. Oh my god, they're so nice. I really appreciate them. Ever since I started this business, they have always shouted out my page, or like shared my page on their page, and I am very thankful, because I know that some of the clients that I have, it was because of them, you know, because of them sharing my page on their page, you know. I'm very grateful with them. I almost forgot, there is a setting on Instagram that you have to turn on so your videos can upload in 4K. When you're ready to post, scroll all the way down, go to advanced settings, and then scroll a little bit more. You'll see the upload at highest quality. Turn it on. I do have some few tips to add to this video. When you are recording your content, don't record fast. I have noticed that some people do record fast, like their phone shakes a lot, and that's not presentable. So when you record, try to take your time, you know, record gentle. Honestly, when I record, sometimes I be holding my breath. I be holding my breath because I feel like I'm shaking too much, so I be holding my breath. Like, it's just so funny. But yeah, when you record, try not to shake. You know, I know it's sometimes hard, but try not to shake. Try not to move your phone too fast. You know, take your time. Take it as if you was recording or like filming a real movie. Like, take your time. Last but not least, be unique. Create unique content. Separate yourself from other creators, you know, because once like you create unique stuff, people are going to engage to it more than content that is similar to other people's. Like they're just, you know, they're just gonna be like, oh, like I already saw this, you know, like okay, next. But then if they see a unique content, people are gonna stop and they're gonna be like, wait, what is this? Like, I'm interested, I'm invested, I haven't seen something like this. So people will stay and watch your reel. So try to be unique, try to make fun content. That's pretty much it. I hope this video was helpful in some way. I hope you guys learned something, and I will add a couple reels ideas in the description box so you guys can check it out. Again, being consistent is key. All right, if you guys have any video suggestions, I do have a few in mind, but again, I want to create content that you guys want to see, you know. So if you guys have any video suggestions, please leave them in the comment section, and also don't forget to like this video. This will help me a lot, and don't forget to subscribe so you won't miss out on any future content. Have a blessed blessed day or night. And yeah, God bless you guys.